When I see little adorable things, I just want to like stuff them in a blender. I just want to like put it in the blender and hit frappe, because I can't take it.
Colonel Mao rocketed to internet stardom.
He's not Korean, he's a cat.
Colonel Mao? Colonel Meow.
Yeah.
I love you.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. I almost fell out of the chair there.
Who should sit perched upon the highest scratching post of honor in our blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Blue balls?
I mean, I'd buy your stuff.
Thanks. You should hear me rap.
Movie studios spend plenty of money on pre-visualized concepts, and she's pretty much done all the paperwork. Sorry.
Help! Help! Help!
Butt out of a butt out of a butt in Ellen Ripley's face. Just face Sigourney Weaver.
Can I hit it in the morning without giving you half of my dough? And even worse, if I was broke, would you want me?
This cracks me up. This is Tuna the dog, or Steven. 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 Steven?
Steven.
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 Watch out, Magneto. This mutant is taking over the
Oh,
world.
you're not a true nerd at all. Magneto.
Magneto? I thought it was Magneto.
No.
Hey, figure by the name of Chicken, would you come around me or would you clown me? If I wanna flow, futuristic, could ya? Put your two lips, I'ma want it 'cause you could ya? See yourself with it. I can't. We like need to get lattes.
Guys, the trouble is Tuesday, where we're gonna give you the most.
I'm not really good at animal noises.
Chimpanzee.
Ooh,